So now coming to one of the most important part, which is related to employees and their productivity. Okay, so most of the time companies think their employees are not working properly. Okay, or they are not able to do what they have been asked to do. Okay, but actually in some of the cases what I have seen, the companies are not clear about what they want them to do actually. Okay, so suppose for example you have given joining to one employees, and one thing is not clear, that what is my means like check-in time, what is my check-out time, or like when what is my over duty time, what is my leave policies, what will be my salary structures, so all these things. Okay, so when employee join, they have lot of questions in their mind. Okay, but since you do not have process or like any memorandum kind of thing, so you sometimes you forget to mention them, or they do not ask it, but these questions always remain in their mind. Okay, so most of the MDs, to what they used to do when they used to ask questions by employees, then they used to just reply, okay, today is leave, you can take it leave. Yeah, second Saturday is closed. Yeah, second and fourth is closed, you can just like this. They used to work in a very informal way. Okay, but and also the same thing goes for the sales. Okay, sales is like, suppose you have hired someone to make sales, but the price list are not clearly defined. Okay, or like you can say means like if someone is asking for the discounts, all these things are not clear. So all these things are keeping your employee in a confusing stage. So when they're in confusing stage, they will keep on pinging you all the time, that for every step they will keep on calling you. So how you can remove all these things? Okay, the most important thing is that you need to have a very clear vision about what you want them to do for you, and what is the vision of the companies, how you want to work, how you want to control them. If they are making any mistakes, do you have any mechanism to stop those mistakes or not? If not, then at least try to make a develop or policies in a written format and try to give it to them employees very clearly. Okay, so often MDs means like this problem regarding the low productivity of the employee or the confusion stage of the employee, people used to blame directly to their employees. But in my case, what I have seen, the companies itself, they are not clear about the employee's role. So that is one of the major reason that I have seen the company really need to have a proper ERP softwares in their companies, or like any kind of memorandum which clarify all these questions very clearly.